Bodenstone churchyard there lies a green grave, and wildly along it the winter winds rave. Small shelter I ween on the ruined walls there, when the storm sweeps down o'er the plains of Kildare. Once I lay on that spot that lies over Wolftown. I thought how he perished in prison alone, his friends unavenged and his country unfreed. Oh, bitter, I said, is the patriot's meed. There were students and peasants, the wise and the brave, and the old man who knew him from cradle to grave, and the children who thought of me hard-hearted, for they on that sanctified sod were forbidden to play. But the old man who saw I was mourning there said, "We've come, sir, to weep where young Wolftown is laid. We're going to raise him a monument too, a plain one yet fit for the simple and true." In Bodenstone churchyard there lies a green grave, and freely around it the winter winds rave. Far better they suit him, the ruined and the gloom, until Ireland a nation can build him a tomb.